Hey guys, we are back. Yeah, it's been a while. We have come together, talked about the pageant. Yes, the pageant, the Panache Miss and Mr. India 2021. Semi-finals are done, talent round is done, and now here with us we have all our finalists, top 40 finalists preparing, giving their 1000% for the finale, back-to-back sessions, walking session, and because it's an online pageant, so yes, they need to practice their work as per the online session design. Today is the second day of their training and practice. The photo shoots are on, obviously, for them, and yes, now we have one of the very important one of the important person over here we have is Mr. Firdosh Kapadia. He is going to be the speaker for the evening. He is going to talk about positivity. He is going to talk about confidence building, and he is, as what I've gotten to know from Kushna ma'am, that he is the best whom we can have just now in this stage where participants are really looking for a lot of motivation. So I'm going to point my camera towards my screen and you can hear him out for a while. Thank you and stay tuned. There's a lot to come for you guys.
40 winners. See? Different perspective. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead. The lady who's raising her hand, I'm not able to.
Priyanka Jadhav.
Priyanka.
So officially only one girl will be crowned and only one boy will be awarded. But for me to reach till here is the winning part for me. Obviously we are here to win the crown, but reaching here is the biggest winning moment for all 40 of us. Because top 20 is not a small thing out of 5,000 people. So that's what I want to say.
Okay. मेरा एक बहुत famous dialogue है. और because of that particular dialogue of mine, I hope everybody is comfortable in English. If you're not comfortable, you can let me know. Okay. There's one very famous dialogue of mine, because of which I'm very infamous. And that dialogue is, any reason for non-performance is an excuse. Any reason for non-performance is an excuse. And the only excuse that I will accept is death. My own. And for that, I will give 1 week notice in advance. Now that is the kind of performance that you will all demand from your own self. If you demand this performance from your own self, then yes, you can be that one winner. बाकी जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, that's hogwash. Everybody is a winner. Is to make you feel nice. Because these days, children are not groomed to be tough. They've been given things in a platter. Most of them. I'm not talking for everybody. Otherwise, somebody will say, sir, main nahi, mera bapu to mere ko. And so most of us are like this. We've been given things on our platter, and we have been told that participating is everything. Winning or not winning doesn't matter. Well, it does matter. Because I know whether I have won or I have not won. There's one gold medal that is given. And that is the name that is remembered. How many of you can tell me the name of all 3 astronauts that went to the moon? Umar is, thinking, मेरे को पता है मैं बोलना चालू करता हूँ. All 3. नहीं याद. मेरे को भी नहीं याद रहता. ये सब लोग लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. Neil Armstrong is the person who first stepped on the moon. And why did he step on the moon? Because there was another pilot who was sitting in the console making him achieve that feat. But we don't remember him. His contribution is immense. We don't remember him. So the winner is one. One will be remembered. 40 names will not be remembered. So your target is that name will be my name. That will be your target. You have been taught grooming.